Guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I wanted to go through some features on this brand new 2024 Sea Ray 260 SLX. Starting in the back there, you got a big swim platform with the swim step, which is super convenient for days out on the sandbar. Big sun pad in the back, easy side walk through. Illuminated cockpit speakers throughout, tons of space for you and your crew, storage everywhere. This one has a power tower where the top will stay flat when you lower it down. Makes it super convenient for getting into your lift canopy or just staying out of the elements. Moving up here, you got two captain's chairs, both adjustable, super comfortable, oversized bolsters on them. It's got a full head. You got the porta potty style head in here. Show you that real quick. Super spacious for a 26-foot. Over on the helm side, you got dual displays. This is where you'd run your surf systems out of, your ballast, surf plates in the back, all that good stuff, as well as depth finder, mapping, chart plotter. Moving up to the front, you got ample seating up here as well. You got flip down armrests, storage underneath all the seats, lighting in the cup holders, lighting throughout as well. And you also have a bow swim ladder, which is super convenient as well. This boat is available here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you guys would like to demo or schedule a demo or come in and take a look, I'll be happy to discuss. Hope to see you here at the dealership soon.